We are at this, where is this?
Some plaza in Koreatown.
We are at this Sun Plaza town in Koreatown, or Sun Plaza in Koreatown. That is the official name. You can see the elevator there. Ooh, this is neat.
It's an Amtech, I'm pretty sure.
Oh yeah, I bet you it is. Yeah, it's a newer Amtech. This is cool. View is blocked off into the bar. Ah yes, the third floor. Pharaoh.
Got some K-pop playing to demonetize your video. Nice B flat motor.
Very nice. We'll end the video on one. We'll watch the indicator going down. I don't even have to face the camera that way. You can see everything out there in the reflection.
Yeah.
Anyway, there's the mouse. And before I get demonetized, that will be it.